Hello, learners. I welcome you all to today's session. Now, dear learners, today I have picked up a topic which is quite appropriate at the beginner's level, and that is nouns. Now, what do we mean by nouns? See, children, everything around us has a name, right? For example, when you talk to me, you will address me as a teacher. You are students. This is an insect. It is a house. So that means whenever we want to talk about something, we have to tell its name first of all. Isn't it? Yes. So such names in English grammar are called nouns. Now, for example, you can see a baby before you. Alright? Baby is a person. Yes. Similarly, this is the picture of a city. And city is the name of a place. Here is a cute puppy. Puppy is the name of an animal. What a beautiful flower! Now, flower is the name of a thing. So, for example, when we say, I love my puppy, right? So, we have to tell the name that whom do we love. So, puppy is the name of an animal. Similarly, I have a baby. Baby is the name of a person. It is a big city. So we have to tell about that. What are we talking about? We are talking about city, which is the name of a place. Right? Bring a fresh flower. So what is to be brought? Flower. So that is the name of a thing. So that means we are surrounded by naming words. So nouns are basically naming words. Now here we have the definition of the noun for you. A noun is a person, place, animal or thing. Person can be a girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones. All these words, they help us to understand that we are talking about person. Similarly, school, home, playground, zoo. These are the names of places. Dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard. They are the names of animals. When you want a book, a flower, a shoe, or pencil, you're actually naming things. So all the names of any person or place or animal or thing are nouns. Alright? Yes, now we can see a beautiful picture. Here we have so many places before us. It's a market, supermarket, bakery, cafe, restaurant, clothing store, shoe shop, theatre, cinema. These are all the names of places, different places, right? Let's say if I say I'm going to a bakery. So where am I going? Yes, bakery is the name of the place. So the word bakery is a noun. So now children, I'm sure you have understood noun. So let us do this exercise. What is a noun? Yes, it is the name of any place, a person, a thing. Is it the name of an action? No, it is not the name of an action. Okay? Now noun that name a place. Tell me, farm is a place? Yes. Is Sam a place? No, it is a person. What about cat? It is an animal. And bag? Oh no, that is the name of a thing. So the correct option is farm. Okay? Now tell the nouns that name a person. Is pencil a person? No, no. What about school? No, that is also a place. What about teacher? Yes, teacher is a person. And duck? No, no, duck is not a person. It is an animal. So the correct answer is teacher. Now next we have pumpkin. Oh, we all know pumpkin is a place. No. Is it a person? Not at all. Is it an animal? Oh no. So finally pumpkin is a thing. Alright. So here we have, circle the nouns in the sentence now. Julie went to the market to buy food. So can we have nouns here? Yes, Julie is the name of a person. Market is the name of a place. And food is the name of a thing. So we have the nouns Julie, market, food. Very good. So you are doing a super job. Can you help me sort these words? So we have to find which are nouns and which are not nouns. Yes, it's a very simple exercise. Cat, it is a noun. It is the name of an animal. Run, no, it is an action word, right? Happy, no, that is not a name. It is an adjective. School, yes, it is the name of a place. Skip, no, it's again an action. Teacher, yes, it is the name of a person. Okay. Now we have this beautiful quiz. Connect the correct dots to match each image with its noun. For example, student is a person. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy this exercise. Pond, what is it? A person, a place, or a thing? Yes, it is a place. Egypt, is it an animal, a place, or a thing? You're right, it is a place. Bear, is it a person, an animal, or a thing? You got it correct. It is an animal. Cow, yes, cow is a person. No, animal. Yes, cow is an animal, so you got it right again. Bicycle is not a person, not a place, it is a thing. Very good. Plumber, you know who is a plumber? He is the one who repairs pipes and taps for you. So plumber is a person. Very good. Keep it up. And finally we have radio. Yes, children, you got it right again. This is a thing. So all these words, student, pond, Egypt, bear, cow, bicycle, plumber, radio, they are all nouns. So next time, whenever you hear any word which tells you the name of any person, place, animal or thing, yes, you will pick it up as a noun. So see you in the next session. I'm sure you have done the friendship with nouns now. Goodbye and take care. Keep learning.